Well, good morning. It is 6:15 a.m. on March 12th, 2022, and today I am going up to the Blue Ridge Mountains to catch a blizzard. This is the only blizzard warning in the country that I'm aware of, and it's just for the top of the mountains. My plan today is to go up to Afton Mountain on I-64. This is the first blizzard warning there since Winter Storm Jonas in 2016, I believe. So I've been in multiple blizzard warnings this year already, but this one's local and somewhat historic. First in several years here. Of course, all good storm chase days in Virginia have to start off with it absolutely pouring rain. This is a blizzard already. Here we go. Morning from Afton, Virginia. I'm up on top of the Blue Ridge Mountains in a blizzard warning. Right now I have almost whiteout conditions, less than a tenth of a mile visibility, 45-mile-an-hour winds, and very heavy snow. It's accumulating fast. The Interstate's already covered in snow. I'm going to be up here for a few hours and watch as it develops. Alright, heading to the bridge. Gonna try to get blasted by the wind now. The wind is picking up. Alright, it's 10 a.m. now. The snow seems to have mostly stopped here on the mountain, but the wind is definitely picking up. Just in the last few minutes, I've been able to record 45 to 50-mile-an-hour gusts. And I'm thinking about changing locations here, or try to get higher elevation in the Blue Ridge. All right, another change of plans. I ended up on this little tiny road, farm road, below the mountains. I actually decided to leave the mountain ridges and go down below, and I got some downsloping wind. And we've had here intermittent whiteout conditions with the snow squalls coming in. I'm in wide open fields. The mountains are right above me, right about here, and this is wind just coming down off the mountain, warming, drying, and taking a whole bunch of wind down with it. It's almost a part of the jet stream that's coming all the way to the ground. So I'm getting gusts of just crazy wind. I was hearing trees snap around me just a second ago. Really cool spot. Snowing decently now. It had stopped for a little while, but the crazy gusts have kind of toned down. See if I can catch some more.